Hi, hope you all are good. In today's video, I am going to share with you all my experience of visiting this amazing out of this world digital display screens near Tottenham Court Station in London. It boosts state-of-the-art digital displays that add a touch of modernity to this bustling place. These sleek and dynamic screens provide vibrant canvases for artistic expression and community engagement. As people navigate through this area, they are greeted by these eye-catching displays. These digital displays here serves as platform for creativity and innovation. From showcasing captivating advertisements and promotional content to featuring local artwork and cultural initiatives, these screens add a splash of color and excitement to everything. Moreover, the interactive nature of these displays encourages engagement from the people around here, inviting them to interact with the content on screen and participate in the vibrant digital ecosystem. Whether admiring visual art or discovering community events, these displays enhance the overall experience of your visit here and contribute to the dynamic atmosphere of Tottenham Court Road Station. These digital displays here represent more than just a practical tool for conveying information. They are dynamic and versatile platforms that enrich the environment around here and foster community connections for all those who pass through these bustling corridors. This also happens to be one of the most visited attractions in the city. These virtually real immersive entertainment bring together breathtaking arts, culture and music experience for all the family. With this technology and boundless creativity, they transport you to the extraordinary realms where the impossible becomes possible and the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary. These immersive experiences defy boundaries, allowing you to escape the reality and embark on exhilarating adventures unlike anything you have ever experienced or imagined. If you are someone who craves the thrill of exploring captivating destinations across the globe, then look no further. My channel is your passport to an endless array of fascinating places and unforgettable experiences. By subscribing to my channel, you will be unlocking a treasure of adventure and entertainment, with each video offering a fresh dosage of inspiration and discovery. Whether you are a well-traveled person or not, there's something for everyone to enjoy as we embark on exhilarating journeys together. From the serene landscapes to remote islands to the bustling streets of vibrant cities, each video is your ticket to an unforgettable journey. Get ready to immerse yourself in the beauty of diverse cultures, stunning landscapes, and thrilling experiences. So join me on this epic adventure and let's explore the wonders of the world together. Hit that subscribe button now and get ready to travel with daily doses of excitement, intrigue, and awe-inspiring beauty. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.